For once, there is nothing up my sleeve. Just some scars from a life that used to trouble me. I used to run at first sight of the sun. Now I lay here waiting for you to wake up.
Since I've been going to November, they welcome me to Virginia. They say the state is for lovers, I say the state is for winners. Met my nigga King Poe, that moment sparked the vision. Now it's gas station records, we don't talk it, we live it. Nigga, this is a business, no mixed emotions or feelings. Just some real ass niggas sitting in meetings, building, strategizing the game while bringing you niggas pain on what the game made me. But I'm starting to change my ways, seeing myself through my kids' eyes. Funny how life changed, realizing my regrets and stupid choices I made. I ain't perfect by all means, but I came a long ways from beefing with dudes back in the sandbox days. Nigga, your speech irrelevant, nigga, I speak movement. So y'all walk with me and stay in tune with this music. Nigga, this is the life compared to what I'm used to. I'm doing pretty good considering what I've been through.